And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. The electrician just left. I have power in the shop again. So after dinner, I'm getting out there and I'm going to record some machining.
But you want to tell them how you got power?
You want to get anything for Christmas? Anyway, it's been 5 days. No electricity in the shop. Died while I was recording. 40 minutes into the second hour of a recording session. Death. Can't recover that footage. I mean, it's unrecoverable. And I can't remember what all I said, so unreproducible.
You owe me an apology, I told you.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. The electrician just left. I have power in the shop now. So next video, I'm out in the shop machining, metalworking, moving the project along. Okay, now for right now, this is Poppy's end of 2020 greetings to the world. Thank God this year is almost over, and those of us that get out of it alive will get out of 2020 alive. I can hardly wait for this year to be freaking over with. I know a lot of people agree with me. 2020 has been a fertilizer year. Notice how I clean that up. Almost like Back to the Future. So I said fertilizer instead of manure. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, it's been a totally crap year. Almost everybody agrees. And not all for the same reason. But everyone can agree this year has been the shit. And it's better off gone. And starting in January, the whole world can return to normal. And January 2nd, people will wake up. What the hell was I thinking? Ah! Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. I hope 2021 is better for you, and most especially for me. I really want 2021 to be a damn good year for me. Good night. Stay safe.